Good morning, all of you. Myself, Chef Vikas Sharma from School of Hospitality and Tourism, Galgotia University, Greater Noida. Today we are taking a session on Foundation Course in Food Production 1 Lab. The subject code is BSCH 1006. In this session, we are going to discuss about chef uniform, its need and importance. So after learning these topics, after going through these topics, you will be able to understand, first of all, various parts of chef uniform, and you will also be able to understand the role and importance of chef uniform in a professional kitchen. Now this slides talk about the parts of chef uniform. As you can see the photographs also, that there are various parts of chef uniform which we are going to discuss in the coming slides. The first is chef jacket, or you can also call it as chef coat. The second one is chef trouser. Third is chef hat. Fourth is scarf or neckerchief. Fifth is apron. Sixth is kitchen duster or towels. And seventh is chef shoes. So all these are an important part of a chef uniform. A chef builds its professional look by wearing all these things. So we can say that all these elements are an important part of the chef uniform, and a professional chef will always carry all these things along with them whenever they are working in a professional kitchen. The chef's jacket or coat. So this slide will tell you about the importance of chef jacket or chef coat. The chef's jacket or a chef coat is also called as veste blanc in French. The blanc stands for white color. It is made up of heavy white cotton, and the fabric with which this coat is prepared act as an insulation against the intense heat from stoves and ovens, as well as it is also fire resistant. Moreover, the white color of the jacket repels the heat and keeps the kitchen staff comfortable. This chef coat is always double-breasted, as the thickness in the cloth will prevent the chefs from being scalded by the hot liquids or spattering of hot oil and thermal shocks. As there are two rows of buttons, therefore the chefs can rebutton the double-breasted jacket to change the side whenever one side gets soiled during the work. So this picture clearly tells you about the chef coat, how it is made, how it has been worn, and what are the importance of this chef jacket. The next is chef trouser. A chef trouser is either black pant or black and white check pant. The traditional check chef trouser were designed to hide the spills, dirt while working in the kitchen. So when you're working in the kitchen, there are always often a chance that your trousers get soiled by various things. So this check trousers helps to hide those dirt. In some organizations, the seniority of the chef is also been designed or defined by the chef trouser. A black pant is usually worn by the senior chefs, whereas cooks and apprentices wear the chef pants. Just like chef coat, the chef trousers are also designed to provide comfort and protection while covering. It is advisable to have an elastic waistband, and it should be without belt. And the length of the chef trouser should be full length, but it should not touch the floor. The next element is chef's hat, which is an important part of the chef uniform. We can see here there are different sorts of chef caps which is there in this picture. Each one of them is having their own importance, and we will also study that the chef hat, what is the importance of that, and how in some organizations it also helps to identify the hierarchy position of the chef. It is the most interesting part of the chef uniform, which can also be called as toque blanc in French. Again, the blanc word denotes the white color. Now, cooks during the 17th century required to wear hats similar to those worn by the royalty of that time resembled crown. The main purpose of the hat is to prevent hair falling into the food and also helps in absorbing the sweat. So it has a dual purpose. It is a very important part. In some cases, the height of the hat also resembles the seniority in the hierarchy, and even the number of curls in the hat denotes the number of years of experience a chef is having. So we can see that there are various theories related with the chef hat, and it carries a lot of importance, and a chef carries a pride with his chef hat. Next part of the chef uniform is chef scarf. Although it looks like a very small thing, but it also holds a very important part in the chef uniform. The chef wears scarf knotted around the neck. These are originally designed to absorb the perspiration. These days, the chefs wear these neckerchief to keep the tradition and the look good in uniforms. In some cases, the scarf also used to prevent various levels of kitchen hierarchy. So we can see that in the hotels, in different positions, the chefs will be having the different colors of scarf. In some organizations, you will see that the chefs wearing the black scarves will be at the higher end of the hierarchy, whereas the junior staff members will be wearing the check scarves or the white scarves. So in this way, the scarf also helps to identify the hierarchy position of the chef. Next part is apron. Now it is usually made up of thick cotton fabric, which is worn around the waist with the help of a long string. The apron should reach below the knee to protect the chefs from spilling the hot liquids. The string of the apron helps to hold the kitchen towel also. So when you are wearing the apron, you should always keep one thing in mind, that you will not wash your hands or clean your hand with your apron. You have the dusters with you, which will be for the purpose of cleaning your hands or cleaning your utensils, etc. And the apron which you are wearing should be of full length, because when you are working in the kitchen, there are often chances that the hot liquid spills down or oil spills down, which can cause a chance of an injury. So this apron will help to prevent, or it helps as a protection to keep you safe from those injuries. Kitchen duster and towels. So they are used to pick up pots and also wipe the hands in order to keep them dry. Usually, 2 dusters should be kept with the chef. One is to wipe, whereas other one is to pick up the hot pots. In modern trends, due to the hygiene concern, generally paper towels or wiping and clearing are used. The kitchen dusters are only used to pick up hot equipments. So you can see in this picture, there are different types of chef kitchen dusters or towels which a chef use in the professional kitchen for various purposes which have been described right now in this slide. The shoes of the chef. The shoes should be black and well polished. To prevent slipping, the sole should be made up of rubber. The socks preferably of the material which can easily absorb the sweat when you are working in the kitchen. should be worn. The shoes should be comfortable as a cook has to stand for long hours. So the shoes should be very much comfortable for a chef. And the leather should be of the good quality, that any sort of liquid should not get penetrate inside. A chef should be able to wear these shoes comfortably, and no other shoes should be permitted in the professional kitchen, like any athletic shoes or any other shoes. They are not allowed to be worn when you are working in the professional kitchen. Now, these are certain sample questions which arises from this topic which we have read of chef uniform, such as identify and list down various parts of chef uniform, explain the importance of chef coat while working in the professional kitchen, describe the importance of chef trouser, explain the role of chef's hat while working in the professional kitchen, determine the importance of chef's scarf, apron and duster while working in the professional kitchen, and list down the important features of chef shoes. So after going through these questions, when you will try to attempt these questions, and after reading these slides, you will be able to answer such questions, which will make your topic clear, and you will be able to understand our objectives, which was to identify various parts of chef uniform and to understand the importance of each and every part of the chef uniform. Thank you very much for hearing me. I hope that through these slides you will be able to understand the various important parts of chef uniform and their role in the professional kitchen. Looking forward to see you in the next session. Thank you.